This job is for AWS System Support Engineer at Leidos, Australia in Canberra. Leidos is a Fortune 500 technology, engineering, and science solutions and services leader working to solve the world's toughest challenges in defense, intelligence, civil, and health markets. They are seeking an experienced IT professional with strong technical skills and communication who is versed in many technologies and specializing in AWS. The AWS system support engineer will deliver cutting edge capabilities to the customer through a variety of different programs and projects. They will work under general direction as part of a small team in the operation and control of software development and team collaboration platforms. The ideal candidate for this role should have a strong background in AWS cloud data architecture and experience in providing thought leadership and knowledge transfer on data usage and technology. If you are interested in this role, please visit Leidos Australia website and apply from there. Thank you.